We're here sa Toyota, pero City Motors pala. Yan, kukunin namin yung bagong sasakyan if ever. Hopefully, yan. Yan. So yung in-order kong sasakyan ay unang-una yung Toyota Grand Highlander, kaso ang tagal. Sabi nila October or November pa ata darating, ganyan. So nag-inquire ako ng other car na available. So few days sabi nila may parating na Chevy Traverse, which is yun yung gusto ko dati pa. Tapos nag-message ulit ako kahapon, sabi nila dumating na. So andito kami ngayon Saturday, September, ano ngayon, 7? September 7, pinunta na namin para baka, you know, possible na makuha. Waiting, nag-lunch daw yung kausap naming agent. Kaya nata siya. Ayun daw pala siya. Oh, the other one is like the Suburban. Yep. That one daw. We're gonna check the car right now. City Motors. You like it or no? You like it or no? You like it? Yeah. Just be careful. And the back, okay. Just the back if you need like a wider space.
We can fold this,
it,
right? Yep.
Interior, ang ganda. So big. Ganda, gusto ko to. Ito talagang gusto ko nung una pa. Nandyan na siya. Dumating siya. Napaaga. Sabi niya kasi nung una is September 13. So, couple of few days, nagsabi siya na andito na pala. Yan. Nakalagay na rin pala dun na sold to to me. Sold, sabi niya. Yan, test drive daw namin. Ayan na, test drive. Excited. Ayan ayan ganda. Test drive daw. Let's close it. Taste, just sit down.
That's brand new.
We're waiting, na test drive na namin and they're just running numbers sa lender siguro, ganyan, so and so forth. Pero nag-sign na rin ako ng mga agreement and mga paperwork.
You're hitting her.
Kinuha namin to, remembrance, old plate, plate ng old car. Ano na yung sombrero ko?
At the stop sign, turn left onto Main Street, then turn right onto East Madison Avenue.